Alright, what's up? I'm about to do a trade recap for y'all right now. My name's Raymond. I'm an unprofitable trader. I passed one funded account, was a trade away from payout, and I let emotions and greed and all that good stuff get to me. And now we on our mission back to the funded account, and we're gonna do it right this time. And from here on out, because we are professional traders. All right, let's get into our daily analysis. So on the higher time frame, what was I looking for out of this morning? This morning, according to my evening bias, actually let me pull it up to you. Let me pull it up for y'all. Show you my evening bias while I was thinking going into it. I bet. So as you can see, I marked out ES or NQ creates a SMT at the high, continues to go lower into the fair value gap. Boom, boom, boom. So what did we get today, this morning? PPI made that move for us. All right, before market open. All right, so what does that mean to me on the higher time frame? That means that we are now balanced again. And now price should continue to go in its general direction, which for the indexes, that's going up. So my bias going into today, because we balanced price going into the morning, it's just wrong. Really easy. So going into market open, I was open to taking market open longs. One thing that I look for in my setups for market open trades is a big move prior. That's a key. Big move prior. Some type here. I can show you guys again, because boom, boom, boom. Here, market open setup. Here's our rules. A big move prior, clear imbalance to target, fucking everything here. Also, this one up here. Clear imbalance, that checks 2. Liquidity, all this like stacked liquidity here. That's 3. Checks. Equilibrium, we had last year. I didn't really mark it out because that wasn't really a target for me. And continuation confluence at entry. And what do we get prior to that? We get inverse fair value gap, 2 inverse fair value gaps actually. Price comes up, creating an SMT. From here, I was just watching price, and price eventually came down into this fair value gap, tapped this inversion fair value gap, and from there I was just looking for any bullish reaction out, and we got just that. One thing I'm working on is my profit taking. I do a really bad job taking profit too early, and that's something I'm working on. So my initial final take profit was here. While we were going up, I was continuing to add to the position, just one contract, because I was really confident. And one thing that I did is I began to take profit too early. That's something I'm working on as well. It's just my mindset in terms of money, and because I feel as though when I start going into profit, like my mind goes into this scarcity mode where I need to lock those in immediately. I need it now. because I can't imagine doing all this, gain all this, and then going back to break even. So I started taking profit. This in turn brought my break even point all the way up here. And what did price do? And came down, stopped us out right around somewhere here. Yeah, we could have profited a lot better today. And that's something I'm gonna continue to work on and continue refining. But one thing that could help me with that is one of my strong suits is finding out where price would likely end up at, and I do a really good job of that. So I need to build trust in that and remind myself of that when I'm trading. Alright, so yeah, that was my trade analysis. Hope you guys enjoyed, and here is the live video of me trading. Peace. Close out this down. Peace. I don't know what to do.
Looks like there's rain up ahead, like there's a crack in the heavens. Feels like my day could be turning, like I can tell that my luck's gonna change. If you could see me now, I'd probably let you down, but that's enough for me. You got me begging, baby. Looks like I'm on my knees again. Feels like the walls are closing in. Looks like I'm on my knees again. Looks like the tables have turned, like there's a change in the weather. Feels like my time is returning, like I'm about to get out of this cage. If you could see me now, I'd probably let you down, but that's enough for me. You got me begging, baby. Looks like I'm on my knees again. Feels like the walls are closing in. Looks like I'm on my knees again.
So yeah, guys, thanks for watching. If you guys are also trading, which I'm guessing you guys are, let me know how you guys did today. If you guys lost one, didn't take a trade. Yeah. I should continue to post these. So be expecting those. And yeah, man, I'm gonna continue on my journey. Hope you guys are doing good on your journey and are staying disciplined and staying perseverant through this. You know, trading is very difficult, very emotionally taxing. You know, so it's just you versus you. That's all you got. So one thing to leave y'all with: consistent green days equals effortless success. Y'all probably know that. I know that. We all know that. Just gotta stick to it. Alright. Peace.